Hi everyone, this is Melissa Robbins here. I wanted to show you some of the data that I have been collecting throughout my classroom, and I've been using my brand new data probe. It is a temperature probe. So one thing that I have been looking at are the temperatures within the reptile habitats. And I have quite a few reptiles in my classroom, as you can see right here on the left column. And what I've been measuring the temperature of are the basking spots. Those are hot spots within the tank. You can see a picture of a tank over here. This is an example of a hot spot within a reptile tank. And obviously you have to have a cooler zone. And I'm also looking at the nighttime temperatures. So what I've been doing is I'm trying to collect the data at least twice a week. So you can see the dates up here. And these are some of the temperatures in degrees Fahrenheit that I have collected. So what I would like to do is to have the students help me collect the data. I will be setting up that lesson to have them do the data collection. But then from there, I want to look at what can the students do with this data and what are these temperatures telling us. So graphing the data or charts, graphs, those give us it's a good way to look at the data. So I'm going to look at the chart feature on this, and I'm charting the data for bearded dragon number 1. I have two different bearded dragons. So this is the temperatures collected from his tank over the past 2 weeks. And the blue column, what you're looking at, these are the basking spots, very high temperatures. And then the red, the cooler zones, and the orange, the nighttime temperatures. Now, what I would like to see is I would like to see consistent temperatures. And it's very interesting that this one is lower. This one went down. So this is something that I would have the students investigate, is why did this temperature go down? It's the exact same spot, it's the exact same light bulb. So what is it about this day that the basking spot was several degrees lower than the other days? So that is something that I would have them investigate, is the irregularities between the temperatures when nothing is changing. The light bulbs are the same, the spot is the same. What is causing the differences? Maybe a line graph would be a better way to look at this. There we go. Again, I would like to see a straight line, and I'm not. So it's interesting that it does dip down so much. So that is something I would have the students investigate. I would have them look at. These are things that are very important to monitor because they have very unique requirements. And if you don't maintain these temperatures and check these temperatures, it can be very detrimental, even deadly, for these reptiles. So this is a great way that I can have the students get involved to help with the animal care. Again, I'm looking at about twice a week to take these temperatures. And then from there, I want the students to help monitor the health of these animals. We can look at how long they spend in the basking spot. The nighttime temperatures when we're not there, those are very important to monitor also. So these are just some things I'm looking at for maintaining my classroom animals. And it's a way to get the students involved. It's a way to collect data using the new data probe. And I'm very excited about it. So thank you.